Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of GD. We click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about GD app and you will click. After that you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of GD. Here you will update your app if you find updates, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.